Hi guys, and friends and people who don't know, and my YouTube subscribers. Um, just a quick update before the 2026 season supercarts start at Oulton Park on I think it's 2nd, 3rd and 4th of April. So in a week's time. It's now the 25th of March, and we're just about finished the brand new chassis, engines rebuilt, or one engine rebuilt, the other one to be done shortly. We've been on the dyno, looked okay, ran it in, so everything's ready for the season to kick off. So hopefully we'll be going better than we were last year. Time will tell. So if we're not, well, we know it's me, and I'll have to try harder. But we've been doing some serious training with the guys, the team over the winter, and hopefully that will pay off. I have actually been to some, I know everyone thinks that our serious training involves drinking. Well, it does a little bit, but I do actually do some serious training, running, racquetball, biking, etc., etc. Anyway, just so I can try and keep up with the young guys. So I've done a couple of videos in the past, and people have said that as I'm walking round, you can't hear me. So someone suggested that I buy this wireless lavalier microphone, which is one of them, and you get two microphones with it, little things like that there. Put them on your jumper, you just plug it into your iPhone, and they're fantastic. You can walk around, and I will demonstrate, and you can talk away, and it doesn't matter how far away you go, you can still be heard. So and I got it from TikTok, and I think it was about £2.50. So if there's any filmmakers out there that you're struggling with sound, have a look at that on TikTok. It was I think £2.50 or £5, something like that. It was next to nothing. Yeah, so that's it really. We've been spending months in the shed. There's so much to do, going over things and making sure things fit, and it's just lots and lots of work. So hopefully it will pay dividends. So next week or the end of this week, we just need to get sorted with loading up, getting everything together, make sure we don't forget to take anything to the circuit. I've done all my tyres, they're all balanced, measured, overpressured, they're all ready to go, slicks and wets. So fingers crossed, we could hopefully do okay. So if there's anyone out there that would like to come along to Oulton Park, if you can make it, Oulton Park, if you can make it on the 2nd, 3rd or 4th. Second is 2 afternoon sessions of testing, so that's not going to be that much fun. And then on Friday, I believe there's a practice, qualifying, and 1 race, and then on Saturday 2 races. It'll be something like that anyway. Yes, so it'd be great if you come along, see what it's like in the pits, come and have a cup of tea. It's good to be on the inside of the circuit rather than the outside. You can get on the pit wall, stuff like that. So all would be very welcome. Can't guarantee a cup of tea for everybody, but we'll do our best. Cheers.